breathing through my mouth instead of my nose. And I'd get up with a dry mouth. And during the night, I'd get up and spray my nose with salt water.
There we go. Big breath in. You got it, Nancy. Oh, perfect. Did you hear that?
Oh, did I? Did I?
Excellent. Good. You're doing great.
One more only.
One more. Here you are. How you doing?
I'm surviving well. I love the aftermath.
Oh, that's great.
The first night I slept through the night. Well, of course I put the tape over my mouth, which is wonderful.
This is the tape?
Yes.
You put that over the mouth? Yeah?
Yeah. That sleep is doing great for 10 hours last night.
Amazing.
I didn't breathe through my mouth.
Beautiful. Are you
Yes.
ready for another cranial adjustment?
Yes.
Let's do it. How old are you?
83 and a half.
83 and a half. I thought you were going to say 83 and 3/4. Here we go. Perfect. Perfect. Good job. Smile. Come on. You got to make it seem like it's wonderful. It's a spa treatment, right?
Not like any spa treatments I've had. just do 2 today, okay?
Okay. All right. Big breath. Got it. Good. That was all the way to the back. That's what we wanted.
Is that
Yep.
the first time you've been all the way to the back?
Yep. She's sleeping through the night with her mouth closed. Doesn't even need the tape anymore.
Yay! Wow.
Aren't we having fun? You're all set.
Thank you.
Just
Not gonna keep me from all this. Now, that is the last one, right? Get this on tape. He promised me that was the last one.
All right. But what have you been feeling all week?
Cracks.
Cracks in your skull.
Yeah.
Oh, little
Yeah. A little crack here. It just, every few days there'll be a crack in my skull.
And the breathing's been opened up.
Oh, the breathing's great. I
Wonderful.
love it.